Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best tire valve caps that glow in the dark. If you're looking for a unique way to add some style and functionality to your vehicle, these glow-in-the-dark valve stem caps from SISUJA are an excellent choice. These valve caps come in a pack of 20 and are designed to fit universally on cars, bikes, motorcycles, and even bicycles. One of the standout features is their glow-in-the-dark ability, available in white and green colors, which makes your tires light up subtly at night. This not only adds a cool visual effect but can also help with visibility and safety during nighttime driving. Installation is incredibly simple. You don't need any special tools to install or remove these caps. Just screw them on the tire valve stems, and they fit snugly without affecting the tire balance or performance. They work perfectly over your existing valve stems without the need to remove anything, making them a convenient accessory for anyone. Made from durable rubber material, these caps won't cause any damage to your tires or stems. Plus, their fluorescent design makes them stand out and catch attention, perfect for those who enjoy a little fun or want to prank their friends by surprising them with glowing tire caps. Besides their fun and stylish appearance, these caps also serve a practical purpose. They protect the valve stems from dirt, dust, and corrosion, which helps maintain tire pressure and extends the lifespan of your tires. In terms of size, the package is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store or carry around for quick swaps. The 20-piece set is great if you want to outfit multiple vehicles or have extras on hand. Overall, if you want to upgrade your vehicle's look with something functional and eye-catching, these glow-in-the-dark valve stem caps from SISUJA are a top pick. They combine ease of use, durability, and a fun glowing feature that's perfect for car enthusiasts and prank lovers alike. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more cool product reviews.